Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Nick and today I'm going to present a book review that I read. The book is called Expert Secrets and it was written by Russell Brunson. He's a serial entrepreneur. He has created multiple online businesses and is an influencer in the online marketing niche. And he has created this company which is really famous and popular right now. It's called ClickFunnels. And in this book, the foreword was written by Robert Kiyosaki, and he's famous for writing Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and he says it's a shortcut to turning your skills and your abilities and your knowledge into a real business and serving a bigger audience using the online method. The main thing that I liked in this book, and that's actually how it starts, is that there comes a moment when you reach the maximum personal growth, which means you can progress further because you reached your top level. And in order to continue to progress and to grow, you need to start to share your knowledge, experience, and skills with other people and reach an audience and help them make an impact in their lives. Statistics say you need about 10,000 hours in order to become an expert in a specific area. So by following this book, you can definitely shortcut your 10,000 hours because Russell is giving you the exact step-by-step process that you need to follow and the specific actions you need to take so that you reach this goal of becoming an expert faster. So many young entrepreneurs are reading this book and are implementing Russell's strategies, and the beginning is actually motivational. Russell is trying to break beliefs of people and tell them they are already an expert. They just need to find something they're really good at and find a group of people that they can teach the experience and the skill they have. And once they receive results for that specific group of people, it's gonna be easier to make an offer and then to sell their experience and their program that they made because it already is proven to bring results. Generally, there are three big niches: health, wealth, and relationships. So every person out there has at least a problem in one of these categories. So if you want to become an expert, you need to find a specific group of people that have a problem that your skills, knowledge, and abilities can solve, and you make a program for them. And when that program brings in results for them, you can use the online method to reach bigger audiences so that you can impact more people's lives. So there's no other method that allows you to reach such a big audience as using the internet. Many people have experiences and skills that are unique, and by sharing these experiences with other people, they can make a really positive impact in their lives. And this book is helping them understand how can they find their voice and their audience, and how can they make a career out of their expert business. The book is structured into 5 sections and has 22 chapters that are called secrets. So 22 secrets according to the title. And the first section is about creating a mass movement of people and then creating your attractive character, because in order to attract people's attention, you need to become attractive yourself, and so that they pay attention to your message. And then about creating a new opportunity, because you don't want to sell improvement offers or to just give people some improvements to their problem, because there's a big chance that if they're looking to your solution, then they have been looking for solutions in the past and they don't want improvements. They want something to change. They want a new opportunity. So that's why you need to present your skills, knowledge, and your expert program as a new opportunity. The second section of the book is about creating belief and the exact scripts you can use to tell stories. Stories are a really important part in creating belief, because you need to have people pay attention, and to actually believe in what you say, you need to tell a story. You don't go to them and tell, hey, I have an offer, you should buy it. You should tell a story that would lead to the same epiphany, to the same realization that you had when you actually believe that the offer you're giving them, it will actually solve their problem. So you need to tell a story that will trigger this epiphany so that they believe in your offer. The third section of the book is about how to create and how to structure your message. And Russell has developed these structures that he used over the years, and he has improved, and these are actually proven structures that Russell uses in order to make people see the value in his offers. So you can use this for your own niche, for your own audience, and make people see value in it, and they will pay for your offers, and they will pay for your skills, knowledge, and abilities. The fourth section is about funnels, and funnels are something we use to present our offer. So it's kind of like the customer journey. Customer comes in your lead generation, and then he goes to see your sales page, and then he goes and buys your offer. And funnels allows us to present all this information so that the customer gets the value, he sees the value, he sees the new opportunity, and then he decides to buy it from you. He decides to get that knowledge and experience from you that will potentially solve his problem. And the fifth section, which is the last one, is the actual instruction, how to implement what you learn, how to just take advantage of the information you got in the book and apply it for your own life and for your own expert business. I really believe that this book is for those who want to make an impact, for those who don't have any limits and know that there's more to it than those traditional jobs where you do some small tasks and you bring value to the people just as much as your boss tells you to do. And using an expert business and using the internet, you can reach a much bigger audience, and with the possibilities nowadays, you can impact so many lives. Again, this is a playbook, which means you can use it every single day, and whenever you're planning anything in your business, I actually have both books on my desk every single day, and I use them whenever I want to write a message, whenever I plan on building any structure, because it has these proven scripts and proven structures that Russell has used to build his own company, and I use them as a reference of something that is proven to work. I hope that I managed to get you hyped about this book, and you're gonna get it. Like .com Secrets, it's a free offer from Russell Brunson because he really wants you to have it. He really wants you to have the value that he put in this book, and it's free, but you need to cover shipping, which is usually less than $8, and it's gonna get shipped to your location, and you're gonna be able to read it. And you should treat it as an investment because you're going to be able to see the big picture of what all those experts are doing, how are they structuring their messages, their business, and you're going to be able to use this information for your niche. For example, you have a skill or you want to develop a skill, whether you're a musician, you're maybe an athlete, or you're a teacher, or you have a course that you're selling, a digital course, or you have a physical product. You can use the knowledge and the strategies from this book to reach a bigger audience, and then to create a mass movement of people who will value your expertise and who will actually pay for it. So I hope you like my review, and if you have any questions or you have anything new that you learned, let me know down below. And if you like this video, make sure to leave it a like, and I'll be making more book reviews, I'll be making more content about online marketing because I'm passionate about it. So make sure to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I release a new video, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.